Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine, and today I'm going to be making Mandarin Orange Chicken. And today I'm going to show you how to make some orange chicken. So you just grab a bowl and then put however many chicken that you want. You just dump it in the bowl. Just put some in like this, and then you just find the sauce that's in here, like this. And then you just take the chicken. Before you put the sauce in, you take the chicken, put it in the microwave. And then you just heat it up. Okay, we're back. The chicken is heated. It should look like this. And you just put the sauce in. Don't put all of it, just put a little bit. Look like this. And then you mix it. And then once you mix it, you put it back in for 30 seconds. And it's all done. So you just grab the chicken, and this is the final product. And that's orange chicken for you guys. If you like this, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.